Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zongo Stew. This flavorful West African dish, centered around black-eyed peas, offers a rich and satisfying meal for any occasion. We'll cover the essential ingredients, walk through the cooking process step by step, and discuss the best ways to serve it. Get ready to create a delicious and authentic Zongo Stew right in your own kitchen. To begin, you'll need 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas. Essential vegetables include 2 large tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget 1 cup of rich palm oil, along with ginger, garlic, and a blend of your favorite West African spices to truly bring out the authentic flavors. First, soak your black-eyed peas for at least 4 hours or overnight, then boil them until tender. In a separate pot, sauté the chopped onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes in palm oil until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add your cooked peas and spices, then simmer the stew for about 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious Zongo Stew is now ready to be enjoyed. It's traditionally served hot with a side of fluffy steamed rice, which perfectly complements its rich flavors. For an even more authentic experience, consider pairing it with sweet fried plantains or a serving of fufu. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro makes a wonderful garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.